Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox these mini GTs, Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo and LibertyWalk Nissan GTR. So I'm correct, it's LibertyWalk because I keep saying LibertyWorks. LibertyWorks. It's LibertyWalk. I don't know why. But it's kind of funny. So I bought these at this one at Keith's Small Cars a few weeks ago, and I bought these at the toy show from a seller, $10. This is, I think, 20. I forgot how much, but most likely like that. So let's open this one first. LibertyWalk Nissan GTR. I think this is the OG LibertyWalk with a ducktail on it. The first GTR, correct me if I'm wrong, the first GTR LibertyWalk Kato-san design. Nice. It's actually nice with a ducktail spoiler on it, and yep, intercooler right there, Rising Sun, silhouette livery, some sponsors, wide body, nice. I actually have the same color, but it's a Aventador, Lamborghini Aventador, and yeah, nice. Nothing special in this one, just oh, it's a metal. It is, I don't know, looks like metal or plastic. Let me know. Nice. Focus. It says there, imagine all the people living in peace, living life in peace. That's what it says there. With Forgiato wheels. Nice. So let's open the Bugatti. They have a blue color, this one, but I choose yellow because it looks more cooler than the blue one. But like I said, I only collect 1:64 if I like it. So, box is typical box. Ta-da! Whoa! Really? Really? Whoa! It's stuck. A little bit stuck. Ah, there you are. Nice. Now you guys can see it. Carbon fiber everywhere. Nice. Number 16, Bugatti 16. Awesome. Wow. I'm getting fun of this scale now, because I'm usually collect bigger scale, but these small scales are changing the game now, especially like Eno 64, Tarmac Works, Mini GT. Those brand are killing it. So how do you guys find it? Let me know in the comments. And that's it for this video. If you guys enjoy it, please like it. If you guys love it, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next upcoming videos. See you guys next time. Bye.